Dear aspirants, this is Dr. Sourav Sir Classes. Our contact number is 98367930076. Again, I am repeating our contact number, which is 98367930076. And our email ID is sourav.classes@gmail.com. So if you have any mathematical queries, doubts, or anything, so please feel free to contact on this number. That means you can call on this number or you can WhatsApp also. Rather, you can drop an email to our email ID, which is sourav.classes@gmail.com. Okay. So then you can enjoy all the services of Dr. Sourav Sir's classes, like you can join our regular batches, our one-on-one sessions, and our online classes. So that will be beneficial for your preparation of upcoming examinations like CUET PG Data Science or CUET PG Statistics. So please feel free to contact if you need any help from us. Okay. So now we are going to solve a question which is appeared in the CUET PG Statistics paper, and the question is telling us that let Ax is equals to B be non-homogeneous system of linear equations. The augmented matrix AB is given by 1 1 minus 2 1 1 minus 1 2 3 minus 1 augmented to 0 and 0 3 1 0 augmented to minus 1. Okay, so now which of the following statement is true? So the statements are: the rank of A is 3, the system has no solution, the system has a unique solution, and the system has infinite number of solutions. Okay. So this is also a very easy question, and if we apply Gaussian elimination, then we are done. Okay, so now I am going to use the elementary row operations, that means the Gaussian elimination, to the augmented matrix, which is this. And the matrix given to us is 1 1 minus 2 1 minus 2 will 1, and that will be minus 1 2 3 minus 1 0, and finally we are getting 0 3 1 0, and here will be minus 1. Okay, so now what can be done here? So now we are what can be done? So now we are adding the row 1 and row 2. That means row 2 plus row 1. So then what we will get? 1 1 minus 2 1, and that will be 1 here. Then we will get 0, and that will be 1 plus 2, so that will be 3 1 and 1. So we will get finally 1, and our last is this. Okay, so we are getting minus 1 here. So now what can be done? So we can apply this thing, that means R3 minus R2. Then what we will get? Sorry, that will now R3 minus R2. Then we will get 1 1 minus 2 1 is to 1. Then we will get 0 3 1 1 1, and finally we will get 0 0 0 minus 1 is to, here will be minus 2. Okay, so now we can say that the pivotal positions are non-zero. Okay, so we can say that our as our pivotal positions are non-zero, so this matrix, that means the matrix A has a rank equals to 3. So our statement 1, which is telling us that rank of A is 3, is correct. So now after that we are going to see the solutions. Okay, so we can easily see that our rank of A is equals to rank of A augmented B, because they both have rank 3. So, and we can see that one column is a dependent column here. So our number of variables in this thing will be a extra from the every independent variable. So we will have a dependent variable here. So if we take this thing, that means we can say that our rank of A is 3, rank of A augmented B is 3, and the number of variables is 4. Since the rank of A is equals to the rank of A augmented v, but is less than the number of variables, so the system has infinitely many channels. Okay, so our correct options of this thing, of this given question, will be A comma D. So let me mark the options. So again, I am telling that if you have any other queries, doubts or anything, so please feel free to call on this number, or you can WhatsApp also. Rather, you can drop an email to our email ID, which is sourceclasses@gmail.com. Then you can join as a student to our institute, and you can enjoy all the services of Dr. Sourav Sir's classes. Okay, thank you guys. Hope you understood. Thank you.